Hi, hello. It's me. You may be wondering what's going on, and if you've guessed it already because you clicked on the title of the video knowing exactly what's happening, a realistic what I eat in a day. Um, and when I tell y'all realistic, I mean extra realistic. Right now, it is currently 12:12, and I'm just now eating breakfast. Like, so today's Thursday. Thursday is my only off day from the gym. Just, I don't really have a structure to my day. I just kind of wing it. I got up at 8 o'clock today. I kind of sat in my bed and edited for a little bit, and then I went out to go get some stuff. I hung out with a friend. I'm finally getting to eat breakfast. I'm eating their blueberry yogurt today with chocolate peanut butter granola on top, avocado toast spinoff. So I have scrambled eggs with Mediterranean feta sprinkled on top, and a avocado seasoned on brioche bread. I'm drinking some unpasteurized orange juice. Trader Joe's actually has some of my favorite orange juice, I have to say. I just wanted to show you guys kind of like realistically what I eat in a day. I am on like a health journey, I guess. I'm just trying to do the best things for my body and stuff, along with like being a foodie and trying to kind of learn the balance between eating just like, everything and nothing all at one time. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. But with all of that being said, let's get into our food festivities of the day. Okay, so hi, hello. We are back for our lunch programming. It is currently 2:14, and I am going to be having some ravioli. I am going to go see a movie, so I'm trying to eat something that's like not going to be super heavy because I also really want to get some popcorn and stuff at the movie, and I'm also going to show you guys everything I'm eating at the movie theater. I'm going to be having some ravioli from Trader Joe's. It is the, y'all can't really see that, but it is the 4-cheese ravioli. This ravioli stuffed with a blend of ricotta, hard grating mozzarella, and provolone cheeses, product of Italy. It probably looks a lot more bright. You were assuming that right now is a different day. You're absolutely right. Let me tell you what happened. I messed around and went to see that movie. That movie low-key made me a little tired, right? And then I come home and I call myself editing. I start transferring files, and if you know anything about transferring files, you know that it takes a second, right? And I was like, okay, I need to transfer files so I have space on my SD card so I can film, because when I made lunch, my SD card was running out of space. What happened? I got knocked out by a ghost. I don't know. And next thing I know, it's 11 o'clock. Well, that's a little late to make dinner. So then I said, well, I'm gonna go back to sleep. So, I just didn't eat dinner yesterday. I think it's because that popcorn low-key made me full and then I had to take a nap. But I'm gonna show you guys what I was going to make for dinner anyway, because I had my meals planned out for the day. So let's get into dinner. That is it. That is what I would be having for dinner in a realistic day in my eating life. I'm gonna have a vegetarian black bean tortilla soup, and that's basically how you make it. And after that, I would go to bed. I probably wouldn't drink anything else or anything like that afterwards. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me on this realistic eating day in my life, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!